Every time you open a website, click a button, or send a message, you are interacting with a massive digital world, the internet. But have you ever wondered how it actually works? When you enter a website address, your browser sends a request to a special computer called a server. This server stores the website files and sends them back to your device so that you can view them. A website has two main parts, the front end and the back end. The front end is everything you see on a website: text, images, buttons, animations. It's built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The back end, on the other hand, is the behind the scenes part. It handles data storage, security, and logic, like when you want to log in or submit a form. It is powered by programming languages such as Python, Node, and PHP. Think of a website like a restaurant. You, the user, places an order through the menu, the front end, and the kitchen, the back end, prepares your food and serves it back to you. With the rise of AI, developers can now code faster, debug smarter, and automate repetitive tasks. AI tools help us build websites more efficiently than ever before. So next time you visit a website, always remember, there's a lot of things going on behind the scene. So now that you understand the basics, let's start building.